Hi guys, HCS Open Platform Experience 2025. Save the date is in November.
Yes.
Marcel, tell us more about this event.
It's HCS. HCS stands for Helping Clients Succeed. And it's an experience, an event for a lot of people about platform engineering and about AI.
Cool,
And it's the
sounds
19th
fun.
of November in
And-
Amsterdam.
Cool, and I heard that you have a lot of sponsors.
Yeah, we have a lot of sponsors. We have Red Hat, we have Portworx, we have GitLab as sponsor, and they also have talks about AI, about other things. And we have also 2 workshops. One we work on it with Red Hat and Portworx, and one probably about GitLab and AI. So
Wow,
it's very nice.
I can't wait to be there, and it sounds a lot of fun. So if you are a platform engineer based in the Netherlands, you can't miss this event.
Yes. So it's on the 19th of November in Amsterdam. If you want to buy tickets, go to hope.amsterdam.
So guys, we need more hope in our
Yes,
in
we
our
need
life. Thank you very much. Thank you for sharing, and see you there.
Yes, thank you very much.
Cool. See
Bye.
you. Bye.